Guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get to the sound test on the Xbox One version of Sonic Mania. What you do is you go to Mania mode. The way I figured out was by going to Secrets, turning debug mode on, and then go to any character you want, and then hit X and A at the same time. I messed up real quick. I'll get out. That's weird. Give me a minute. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back at the title screen. Maybe I'll hit off. Okay, debug mode on. And here I am. Figured it out on my own. I don't know if anyone's figured this out yet. Probably, but that's how I figured it out. See you guys later.